guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Tyla Chanell and I'm a makeup artist, photographer, decor lover, self-help addict, and that's basically everything my channel is about. Today I'm going to review a product I got that has been one of my gems for the past week or so. I've been using this stuff every day, guys. I don't know if you're into incense, but if you are, I have a gem for you. I went shopping at a store called Five Below and I found these incense for $4. The 7 Chakras Incense sticks, and oh my god, like, I feel like every time I have an emotional, overwhelming moment or something where I just gotta go meditate or take a moment and get myself together, I light these. If you're into incense sticks, these smell heavenly, all of them. They are each and every one of the chakras. There are 7 chakras, and it's the crown, throat, solar plex, heart, root, third eye, and sacral. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. I know a little bit about chakras, but basically on these incense sticks, when you open up the packaging, each one is packaged individually, whichever chakra you want to kind of enhance or meditate over. They have a chakra in assorted colors. As well as a little excerpt on what each chakra does. So we're gonna go through each and every one of them, starting with the crown. So with the crown is located, is packaged in the purple packaging, and it says, this chakra represents wisdom and being one with the world. When open, you are unprejudiced and more aware of the world and yourself. So that is what the crown chakra is about. And then we can go to the throat chakra. The throat chakra is in this powder blue packaging, and it's another blue one, but the throat one is in a powder bluish one. The throat chakra says that this chakra amplifies your skills of self-expression and communication. When open, you will excel in expressing yourself creatively. So that is the throat chakra. Then we're gonna go to the solar plex. It's this yellow bright packaging, and it says this chakra strengthens your ability to be confident and in control of your life. When open, you will be assertive and feel comfortable in a group. So this is great. The solar plex is definitely something to do when you have, whether you're in school and you have a presentation to give, or when me personally, when I get on live and stuff, I start rambling, or when I'm recording, like, that would be this would be a perfect time to light one. Okay. The heart chakra is in this green packaging, and it says this chakra increases your ability to feel love, kindness, and affection. When open, you will be more compassionate, friendly, and you will strive for more harmonious relationships. So this is good when you feel like, you know, you can't work well with others, like how I be, you know, light one before work or something. Be good. Energy straight. The next chakra is the root chakra. It comes in this red packaging. It says, this chakra represents our foundation and feeling of being grounded. If it is open, you will feel present in the here and now and connected to your physical body. That one is good when you just need to rejuvenate, like, from the, you know, men in your life or something. I don't know. All the potential babes that did not become babes. I would like that, right? Good to light this up. The last two is, well, second to last one, is the third eye chakra. It is in the blue packaging. It says this chakra enhances your ability to focus on insight and visualization. When open, you will have improved intuition. So ladies, always keep your third eye open, okay? Because we already have that, but to enhance it, come on now. I might like that tonight. Okay, and the last and final chakra incense they have is the sacral I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it comes in this orange packaging. It says, this chakra rules your connection with your physical self and how you perceive yourself. When open, you will have a healthy amount of self-worth and good relationships. This is very good, okay? When you need self-care, like when you're just pampering yourself, I will like this one, definitely. So here are all the chakra incense sticks. And I just find it, I don't know whether it's a mental thing, it's just helping me with life and maintaining a positive attitude, or basically just kind of recharging when I need to. I do typically light it when I first get up in the morning, or I'll light one when meditating, either or, depending on my day. It has just put me in a different mindset. I feel like almost I'm a different person because of these, definitely. If you're looking for something that helps with your spirituality and helps you, you know, throughout life's moments or feelings, emotional help, whatever, these chakra incense sticks have been helping me dramatically. And they were only $4 at Five Below. So definitely worth your coins. And it's a bunch of them. Each packet has, let's see, each package has 7 incense sticks. So 7 times 7, 49 incense sticks. Definitely worth $4 easily. No question about that. So if you have time or have a Five Below in your neighborhood, definitely stop in there and get these incense sticks. They also have like sage and things like that. They had a lot of items that was like meditation, positive, self-development, positivity, getting your spirit together. They had a bunch of items and home decor things that I actually bought. If you're interested in seeing what I bought actually the last time I was at Five Below, I will be ecstatic to do a Five Below haul so you can see all of the things I got. So if you're interested in chakras and getting something to help with your spirituality and empower you through your journey in life, definitely check out these 7 chakra incense sticks, okay? If you found this video to be informative, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified of every video I post. And until next time, guys, bye.